So this person opted to use a notes section that kind of does, includes a full list of providers who responded, sheet 2, who didn't respond. And so they started calling things sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. I think that's less valuable because when you go to rename it, now your notes are incorrect.
Right.
But it is helpful to have like column A to reference the notes. So like sheets in this workbook. Notes. Response providers. And kind of label them out. And then you can say like, this is a connect report I altered to add a new column.
Gotcha.
Yes, no, kind of like what you're doing,
Yeah.
And then you can kind of say like, this is, description or something like that. You're essentially making a table, but you're making it to help whoever is reading this. And let's say I colored that tab. So maybe you want to kind of color this, to be something like that. And let's say in notes, well, response providers, this is a connect report I altered. Show if I found them. If I did, I wrote yes and colored it green or something like that.
Right.
Just whatever is, it can be as thorough as you need or as someone else might need.
Right. That's viewing a new code.
Yeah. So feel free to use new rows, new columns. If you have 10 sheets down here, it might be helpful for someone who's looking at this Excel file or you a year from now being like, wait, I made a duplicate of that because that happens to me all the time. I'm like, why did I make this sheet? I don't even know
what is this
which one to use now.
Exactly.